Hello everyone. Once again, I'm in front of you with a very important topic of English language, which is conjunctions. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are also known as connectors. It is among 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. So today we will discuss conjunction very quickly. Conjunctions are also known as connectors, as I have told you. Now, what kind of connectors? Either connecting two sentences or connecting the previous paragraph with the next paragraph. Some examples: because, though, yet, either, or, neither, nor, but, also, so that is why, moreover, and many more. So, such kind of words are connectors. If you use these words, because I don't want to come to the party because I am not feeling well, to make one out of two. I would love to come to the party. I would love to come to the party, but I have no conveyance. And when we are connecting the paragraphs, especially in higher classes, when a big speech is there and the children are connecting the paragraphs, in addition to this, moreover, moving forward, there are the connectors. So they start the paragraph with the connectors. Okay, so a quick review: conjunctions are known as connectors. These are used to either connect two sentences or the previous paragraph with the coming paragraph. But, because, therefore, also, but also, so that, either or, neither nor, because. These are certain examples. Thank you and bless you all.